Hey dreamers, I'm coming at you with a grilling video to teach you how to grill at a public park on one of those public grills. So this is the charcoal that I had left over in the bottom of the bag. I'm going to wet it down with some charcoal lighter fluid. I'm going to take part of the bag that I tore off and stick it down the middle and wet it down again. All right, dreamers, I'm about to light this fire and let it burn. So here I am lighting it, dreamers. And we're going to let it burn until the charcoals turn gray. Now, once the charcoals turn gray, I'm going to apply the grill covered in aluminum foil, and I'm going to put some holes in it so the grease can run down. Now, dreamers, if you're going to the park, you're going to already have your meat seasoned and clean, but I'm going to show you how to do it too. All right, I'm going to separate that thin membrane away from the other part of the meat with the bone. And you just find it on the corner and pull it. Just pull, pull, pull. Run the cold water on it. You're going to find it's easy to do. I'm about to pull it off in one whole slab. Look at there. And if whatever you miss, you just go back and you just pull that off. So that's how you do it. Now I'm going to go back over it and pull that little skin there off. And I'm going to go on the other side and pull all that loose skin off and rinse it off. We're going to pull all this fat off the other side of the rib. You don't need all that fat. And we about to season. Now, I didn't mix all the seasons together. I should have, but I was rushing, so I did the sazon, the parsley, the lemon pepper, the garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder. Did all that stuff, just shook it on there individually on both sides. That's what you do. Now I'm about to clean these lamb chops and cut them up. I skinned them and everything. There we go, skinning them. Then I'm going to cut them up, do them the same way, season them the same way as the ribs. I'm just going to cook them different. Now, when I say I'm going to cook them different, I'm going to cook the ribs as if I was have the charcoal, the temperature of an oven. And with the lamb, I'm going to cook it as if it was beef in an open flame. All right, dreamers, let's make this squeezy juice. We're going to poke holes in the top of a Fago bottle, put some water in it, put a funnel on it, and add a cup of vinegar, a half a cup of mustard, some musky seasoning, all the seasonings that I put on the ribs, and let's have a good smelling, flavorful squeezy juice, because that's how our ribs are going to taste, how that squeezy juice smells. Now we on grill number 1, and we're going to lay those ribs down on there, put some squeezy juice on it, cover it up, and every time we flip them, we're going to put some squeezy juice on them. Now this is different. We on grill number 2, where the lamb chops are on the open flame. We cooking them like we cook beef. And my husband is helping me because it gets extremely hot, y'all. So look out, look out. You might have to cover them up. You might have to sprinkle some water on it to get it to where you need to cook it at. And it's only going to be for a few minutes. Now here we are at grill number 3 with the aluminum foil on it. We cooking this one like we cooking outside at the park. These is rib tips. I did skip the video of cleaning these, but you clean them just like you clean a regular rib. Sprinkle them, put the top on them. Here we go, putting some more ribs on that grill number 1. We're going to put some squeezy juice on those. And this is the same thing as the squeezy juice. I'm just putting the rest leftover juice on top of them, cover them up. And every time you turn them, you put that juice on there so they can stay moist and good. These ribs going to take about 2 hours to cook. Here they are looking yummy. And we just going to put some more squeezy juice on there. And we're going to turn them over, cover them up. Here we go again. We're looking at them again. Okay, after about maybe 10 minutes, maybe. It depends on the color of the smoke. So make sure your smoke is not white, because you got a flame. So that's why you always watching and always putting that squeezy juice down, because not only is it seasoning the meat, it is putting out the flames. And don't be scared to use it. Don't be scared to use it. Put it on there, y'all. Put it on there. It's going to make your ribs taste good. It's going to keep your fire down. And before you know it, you barbecuing, dreamers, living your dreams. You can do anything you dream about doing. Now we're going to put this meat down, cut it up, put it in the pan, and we're going to use some good old bullseye straight out the bottle. We're going to add some water, because you know what? My meat is seasoned. I'm confident, y'all. I'm living my dreams. This meat is going to be so good, I'm going to pop it in the oven. Dreamers, they ate this meat up so fast, I didn't get the money shot. My apologies, but next time, I'm not going to forget, because I'm going to do this again, baby. Thank you for watching, dreamers. Like and subscribe for more videos.